what's going on. We are leaving our camp spot right now over here, wherever the heck this is, by the power thing, because we're in a flash flood warning. They're calling for rain tonight, and our tanks are full, and we're afraid we're going to get stuck here for a week. So we're going to go down the road and take care of this and get somewhere. So we're kind of breaking up camp. Sharon and Sal, they're going to go down to Ehrenberg and see some members of the tribes and friends that we have, or they have down there. We might go down there and meet up with them there, or we might meet up with them in Pelosa or something like that. But Art and Angela, not Art and Sharon. Art and Angela are also moving down. Everyone's kind of leaving this spot because of the dangers of everything. I gotta be a little bit easy. This road's a little rough for being back in here, but big old, what is it, fifth wheel, a big old motorhome, a big old bus can make it down here. Anyone can make it down here for sure. For sure. Motorcycle, puppy dog, everything is good. Here we go again. There's Art. So I went ahead and drove my bus up to the front. It was like only 10 feet from the road, and then I hopped in the car with Art to go back and get his RV. So I had to Angela was not feeling well that day, so I went ahead and drove the vehicle for him to get him up safe and close. So if we had to get out of there because of bad weather or muddy weather, we could just easily be 10 feet from the road, or if something horrible happened, we had to be towed, we was only 10 feet from the road. I got the wonderful lap puppy. They keep you warm whenever you're going down the road. They double as an airbag, don't they? Lap puppy. Buy one today for only, fair enough. You can have your own lap puppy. You want to get in the back now? I was hoping the shot actually looks way better than it does, but it's still really cool. And stay to the end of the film, and I got a supermoon time lapse at our new location. I got directions. Alright. I'll follow you. Alright. And don't forget, you guys can click on the screen and move around anytime during any of these videos. I will try to put the most interesting stuff right in front of the screen, however that may not always happen. We did actually end up spending about 2 days there at the front of the wash. I had some water pump issues, and that will actually come out as a couple video part or a very long video. It was not all one issue, however it was all with one water pump.
for you today?
You guys got any spots open for the night?
Just dry camping.
Okay, what about how much does it cost to dump? And
$10.
$10. I pay you now, or?
Yes, you can, and I'll get you a receipt, and I'll tell you which way to go.
Okay, it's for dumping fresh water and trash too?
Yeah, you can drop your trash in any of the barrels.
Okay, cool.
We don't have a big dumpster, so if you need to spread it around barrels, that's fine.
All right.
But if you have big bags, just as long as they're tied, just set it next to the barrel.
All right, I got money.
And I'll get you guys a receipt, okay?
All right.
Here's your change. Let me get your receipt.
Perfect. Thank you. Totally, yeah. You silly girl.
Are you looking for a site?
Nah, he's got me taken care of. I'm just dumping and getting rid of. You're good. Thank you. There's a little Paz County Park. They're just really friendly and really helpful. Oh, hey. We are on Shea Road. We're headed out to some BLM on the east side of Parker on Shea Road. And whenever I was here doing the 2018 van build, this was all desert. But if you look to your right, the right side of the bus, you can see all the green growing. There's wildflowers everywhere out here. It's really cool. Can you believe this is in the middle of the night? Look up, you can see the stars. Thanks for watching, guys. In the next video, we will be dealing with the water pump issue and the troubleshooting steps that go along with it. Don't forget to subscribe. And this is what controls my water pump.